Question number 1. cDNA, a term used in recombinant DNA technology, means competitive DNA, chemical DNA, complex DNA, complementary DNA. Correct answer is option D, complementary DNA. Question number 2. The process of introduction of foreign DNA into an animal cell is called transversion, conversion, inversion, transfection. Correct answer is transfection. Question number 3. A segment of DNA that reads from the same forward and backward is called palindromic DNA, complementary DNA, plasmid DNA, copy DNA. Correct answer is option A, palindromic DNA. Question number 4. Which of the following enzyme is used in PCR? Take DNA polymerase, HRP, EcoR1, EcoR2. Correct answer is option A. Take DNA polymerase enzyme used in PCR. HRP enzyme is used in ELISA. And EcoR1 and EcoR2 are the restriction enzyme. Question number 5. Which of the following is helpful in distinguishing DNA of one individual from another? PCR, reverse transcriptase, cDNA, RFLP. Correct answer is option D, RFLP. Full form of RFLP is a restriction fragment length polymorphism. Question number 6. Which of the following is the correct order of organization of genetic material from largest to smallest? Genome, chromosome, gene, nucleotide is the correct order of the organization of genetic material from largest to smallest. Correct answer is option A. Question number 7. Which of the following codon is not a termination codon for protein synthesis? UAG, UAA, UGA. Correct answer is option A. UUU is not a termination codon for protein synthesis. Question number 8. Which of the following are the two methods of screening? Hybridization and PCR, ELISA and blotting, ELISA and PCR, PCR and RFLP. Correct answer is option A. Hybridization and PCR are the two methods of screening. Question number 9. Short subsequence of a cDNA sequence is express sequence tag, sequence tag at site, coding, YAC. Correct answer is option A. Express sequence tag is a short subsequence of a cDNA. Sequence tag at site is for the short DNA sequence. Short DNA sequence. And coding is a set of overlapping DNA sequence. And YAC is a linear DNA molecule. Question number 10. Short DNA sequence having single occurrence in genome is called express sequence tag, sequence tag at site, coding, YAC. Correct answer is option B, sequence tag at site. Question number 11. A set of overlapping DNA segments that together represent a continuous region of DNA is express sequence tag at site, coding, IAC. Correct answer is option C, coating. Question number 12. Which of the following statement is false? BSC BSC means bacterial artificial chromosome is circular and DNA molecules. Correct. Yeast artificial chromosome is linear DNA molecule. Correct. Take 1 is a DNA polymerase. Correct. BS is a linear DNA molecule is the false. Correct answer is option D. Question number 30. Which of the following is not denatured by heating steps during PCR? DNA pole, RNA pole, restriction enzyme and DNA ligase. Correct answer is option A. DNA polymerase is not denatured by denature in heating step during PCR because DNA polymerase is a Taq polymerase is a thermostable enzyme. Question number 40. Which of the following statement regarding DNA fingerprinting is a false? DNA fingerprinting cannot be used for paternity testing is the not. DNA fingerprinting is used for paternity testing is the correct answer. दूसरे नेक्स्ट ऑप्शन देखते हैं. DNA profile using STR short terminal repeats is unique to one individual. Correct. PCR is used for DNA profiling. Correct. Forensic analysis make use of SNP single nucleotide polymorphism in coding sequence to distinguish between individuals. Correct. Answer is option A. Question number 50. How are expression vector useful to produce protein product? Used for genomic libraries, used for chromosome synthesis, used for fingerprinting. Correct answer is option A, to produce protein product. Question number 60. Who was the first person to develop DNA fingerprinting? Correct answer is option C, Alex Jeffries. Question number 17. Southern blotting technique is used in monoclonal antibody production, in vitro culture, genetic fingerprinting, polymerase chain reaction. Correct answer is option C, genetic fingerprinting. Question number 80. Electrophoresis helps to separate DNA segment, cell from DNA, tissue, RNA from DNA. Correct answer is option A, DNA segment. Electrophoresis help to separate DNA segments. 90. During DNA profiling, DNA nucleotides hybridized with the probe can be detected through electrophoresis, polymerase chain reaction, autoradiography, hybridoma. Correct answer is option C, autoradiography. Question number 20. Which of the following term is associated with DNA fingerprinting? Hybridoma, site-specific mutagenesis, shotgun cloning, RFLP. Correct answer is option D, RFLP.